Let's suppose that you have three columns that are supporting a certain structure. You have a column at point A, a column at point B, and a column at point C. Let's assume we know the distance between column A and B and also a distance between column A and C. So the question asks us now, can you calculate the distance from point B to C? So if you look at the shape that we actually have a right angle triangle. So we can actually use mathematics to solve this problem. Because if we have a right angle triangle, then we can use a theorem of Pythagoras. A theorem of Pythagoras says r squared equal x squared plus y squared. Consider the r squared represents the hypotenuse side. So the hypotenuse side is represented by r. The other two sides, they really don't matter because you can say this side is x or that side is y. Or you can interchange them and make this one to be x and make that one to be y. But what is important is that you need to know the value of r is always the hypotenuse side. And the hypotenuse side is always looking at the right angle, which is this angle of 90 degrees. So we can now use this theorem of Pythagoras to get the hypotenuse side. So remember now the hypotenuse side is the side which is looking at 90 degrees. So that is going to be BC squared equals to, we can say x is what? We can say x is AC squared. And we can also say y is AB squared. So to get the BC length, you're going to say now BC length squared is equals to, you substitute the length of AC, which is 8 squared, and the length of AB, which is 6 squared. So now to calculate this, you will have to square root both sides, and therefore if you put that in your calculator, you are supposed to get the length of BC, which is equal 10 meters. Thank you very much.